That's what I'm gonna do. I'm on YouTube right now. I'm live on YouTube right now. I'm gonna save the video on YouTube, right? If you want to see, if you want to see my screen and see what I'm doing, jump over to the YouTube channel. You know what I'm saying? And so you can see what's going on. Jump to the YouTube channel so you can see what's going on. I'm gonna leave this up right here if people don't want to jump to the YouTube channel and hear see the screen and hear what I'm saying. It's cool to stay on IG, but I'm not gonna save it on IG. I'm gonna save it on YouTube. So feel free to jump over to the YouTube channel right now. YouTube.com/slash the new TLR. You know what I'm saying? And then, but I'm just gonna be talking. So YouTube, here we go. I just want to jump on real quick to drop a love. I guess you'll say a gem more so directed toward like people that's like I had a lot of what's going on. Is that Mikey or Mickey? I don't want to mess it up. Um, I don't want to. I mean, I've been having a lot of people hit me up. And on Instagram, if y'all see my green screen and all that right there, and see my lights, jump over to YouTube and check out the new swag bag. But yeah. So let me get to it. We what I want to do, I want to jump on here before we get ready to go on vacation. I ain't doing Tim's Tidbit this Sunday, so I just been trying to drop a few gems here and there, go live, say what I've been thinking, say what my thoughts were. I was gonna get on and say what my thoughts were for the market today, but I decided to do something a little different for, my family. I had a lot of people hitting me up in my DMs, asking me a lot of questions about like I hate to say entry level. I appreciate that. Say love the background. If y'all want to see the background, jump over to YouTube and check out the new swag bag. Um, but I had people hitting me up and seemed like they relatively new to the investing journey. So I just want to drop a quick gem for them because you hear people talk about OPEX. This OPEX week, this OPEX day. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to break down, what I'm saying, my thoughts about OPEX, what OPEX is, and give a little gem on how to keep up with it and track it. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Let's jump into it. Y'all know how I like to do. Um, I ain't got my slides, but again, y'all already know what it is. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a fiduciary. Nothing I say should be taken as financial advice. Do your own research. Investing involves considerable risk, and you should always consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Disclaimer: y'all know how we do. We all family though. Let's jump over here to the desktop real quick. Booyah! Look at the new swag bag, mama. I got my groove bag. Mama, I got my groove bag. Check it out. Y'all feeling me? Y'all feeling me? Yeah, like I say on Instagram, if y'all want to see what's happening, who that is. Did somebody mean to hit go live? I think that was an accident. I don't think you meant to hit go live with me. Did you mean to go live with me? If you meant to go live with me, say yes. If not, say no. If you still in there. But anyway, I ain't got on here to talk about the market. But since we got it up, let's look at it. Let's see what's going on. We got it on a 15-minute chart real quick. I'm gonna get to my OPEX thing in a minute. Whenever this my first time looking at the charts today. Me and my family fun to go on vacation, so I ain't even looked at the charts. But once I open the charts up, I can't help myself. I can't help myself. Let's look at it from a daily level, from a daily perspective. What have we been doing? What have we been doing? Let me turn my arrows on. Okay, so as we all know, we sold down. We came down here. This January action. This January. If y'all want to see the screen and what's going on, jump to the YouTube page. YouTube.com/slash the new TLR. Check out my new swag bag. Y'all see my back. I got my green screen up. I got that's my son green screen. I bought him for Christmas. I got it up. But y'all check out my new swag bag. But yeah, here we go. Checking it out. We sold down, as we all know. Sound played around this area here. We know that. We know that. Man, look at that candle from yesterday. You feel me? Look how bearish that candle is, man. Man, got me salivating right now. I ain't even trading because we finna go on vacation. Okay, this is what I'm seeing. And again, this going I'm get to the OPEX thing. I'm sorry, I'm gonna get to the OPEX thing, but I can't help it when I see the charts, right? So we had a mean bearish candle. As you see, we closed well below the 200 day. Now, as we saw before, we was hoping this right here was gonna be the higher low, right? Because we came up here and officially made, you know what I'm saying, this be a higher low, but then the market, that's when I was like, let the market show you what it's gonna do, right? And so over here, I guess I could turn this around. Or there, you'll bring me the little stand thing so I can. Nah, don't worry about it because I ain't got time to set it up. I guess I could show y'all like this right here. So, the screen on IG because I'm doing IG too. But so we was hoping this right here would be the higher low, right? But the market said, that ain't it. So this right here, we made another low here. So now it's time to see what the market gonna do. Is the market gonna make this the higher low? But if we break down below this today, you know what I'm saying, the market still showing us it want a downtrend. If it don't break down below, let me see what's happening. If it's real close to it, if it don't break down below this low over here, if it don't break down below this low over here, then we got a possibility of this might be in a higher low from over here. But the market looking real heavy these days. And why do I say that? Because I'm looking at this right here. What did we do? We came down, right? We had a fair value gap right around this area right here, right? And we traded back up close to it. And then we started selling back down. This on the daily level. We started selling back down. So now are we let's look at the 4 hour. What it look like on the 4 hour. Right? My arm's starting to get tired, Instagram. I don't think I'm gonna hold this up here too much longer. Okay, so looking at a 4 hour level, yeah, it's looking real heavy on the 4 hour level. It's looking real heavy on the 4 hour level because we had a fair value gap. We broke this uh low right here with some authority, made a fair value gap on the 4 hour. This was back on what that is, the 11th. What that is, that's the 11th. Look like the 11th. Come on. I'm trying to work one handed right here. Okay, on the 11th. Yeah, that's on the 11th. We broke that with some authority on the 11th, right? And made a fair value gap, and then we traded back up into that gap, and then we sold off. You know what I'm saying? We went up a little bit. We went up into this order block a little bit right here, but we sold off. So the market looking real heavy on the 4 hour level. So that's why I say if this low don't hold, probably gonna keep going down. I'm just giving you my thoughts how I be thinking when I'm looking at the charts, looking at, and I do it from top down. Now we down to a 60 minute. We from a 60 minute level. Yesterday we sold off. We broke this low with some authority, made a fair value gap right here, and we sold back up into it. You know, went above it a little bit. Went above it a little bit, but then we sold off. So again, the market's still looking heavy. You know what I'm saying? We rated these equal lows right here and sold back up. But as you see, we coming back down. We still coming back down. We flirting with coming back down. And this OPEX date has been OPEX week. And overall for February, now I'm gonna get into the OPEX thing. I'm about to stop holding this. What's up, BD? Hey, BD, I'm on IG. I see some of my normal people coming up here. I'm on IG. I mean, I'm on YouTube. Y'all switch over to YouTube because I'm about to stop holding this. I'm just putting this back on my face. Y'all see my green screen and stuff up right there. I got a new swag on YouTube. Y'all tap in on YouTube so you can see the screen because I'm tired of holding that phone. And I'm saving it. I'm saving it on YouTube. So if you just want to stay on IG and look at YouTube later, that's fine. But I'm not saving it on IG. But so let's talk about this OPEX thing. Oh, let's finish breaking it down. Look, okay, this is the hourly level. You know what I'm saying? We came back. We made this fair value gap on yesterday. And then overnight we traded back up into it, went above it a little bit, and then we sold down overnight. We had a blast off overnight, and then we sold back down. I don't know what happened last night to create this blast off like this, but I was on a video with Dustin when it happened, and he was like, "Whoa, what's happening with the market?" I was looking at the same thing. Excuse me, but so let's break down to 15 minutes, see what we see, what we're looking at. So on the 15 minute, okay, on the 15 minute, overnight, this the midnight open. This yellow line here, I don't know if y'all can see that yellow line that good. Let me blow it up. Okay, there you go. This the midnight open. This the Did I set? No, I didn't set my 3 o'clock open. I set my midnight open, but I ain't set my 3 o'clock open. Oh yeah, cause I set that last night. I went to sleep late last night. Let me set this 3 o'clock open real quick. That candle opened up at 398, 43.98, 43.98. Let me set my 3 o'clock open real quick. My London open. Okay, that's the London. Okay, so here we go. We got the midnight open. We got the London open. As you see, we flirted around with the midnight open. We flirted around with the midnight open, and then the London open. We consolidated around the London open. But as you see, the market was, had after this blast off right here last night. Yeah, it made a fair value gap as if it was gonna trade back down into it and go up. But like I say, the market been heavy. So all the market really did was come back and fill in that gap. And now it's still showing that it's heavy because it consolidated all London. All of London, it just popped up to the midnight open and then consolidated. You know what I'm saying? And then when it got right around what that is, 8:15, it popped up above all of these equal highs and then sold off hard, making a fair value gap right here, right? And then once we traded back up into that fair value gap right there, this would have been a decent trade if I would have been trading. You know what I'm saying? It came back up into the fair value gap. You catch it off the bottom of the gap, you catch it off the middle of the gap, the top of the gap, you wouldn't have got it, right? So that was a decent trade if I'd been trading today. You take it off the bottom of the gap, your stop loss will be right up here. And let's see what you'll be at right now if you'd have took that trade. Take it at the bottom of the gap, plus 3 ticks. 6, 1, 2, 3. That's your entry right there. 85.75, and right now it's down to 69. Let's do the math on that right there. 85.75 minus 66.75. It's jumping around. That's 19 points already. You'd have hit 19 points already if you took that trade. That's a good trade right there, but I ain't trading today. I wish I was, because that was a good trade right there. But anyway, so I'll be looking for reasons to if it play in this range right here, it may give you some good reasons to take some quick scalps in this range, but be careful. It's OPEX. Now let's get to what I was gonna talk about. Matter of fact, I wish I would have got on here earlier, and so I could have saw that, and somebody could have took that trade in real time. OPEX. What's OPEX? OPEX. I know I hear a lot of people. A lot of people be talking about what indicators on the screen. Those were some EMAs. I don't even use those. Only thing I use this red line, green line, blue line, and this orange line up here. Those are like EMAs, and I use those just to confirm trend. I don't trade them. I just use it to like confirm trend, like help confirm my bias. If I'm bullish, if I'm bearish, I peek at the EMA to see which way it's pointing, and it helped me confirm my trend, because a lot of EMA traders use that to trade. So I just help it confirm my thesis. So the orange one is my 200, the 50 is the red one, my 20 is the green one, and my 9 is the 9 period is the blue one. So, but I don't even use those to trade. I just got lipstick on the chart, BD. You feel me? I got lipstick on the chart. But OPEX, let's get to it, man. Y'all, BD, stop distracting me, man. I use Chess World. I use I use NinjaTrader to trade the ES and watch the ES, and I use either TradeStation or Alley to make my options trades. So I watched and if just in case you new here, I watched the ES to make my SPY and SPX entries, because the SPY, the ES, and the SPX are all the same thing, and I watch the ES because the ES trades 23 hours a day, and if you only watch the SPY or the SPX, you will miss price action that happened overnight, and you will be confused as to why the candles moving the way they moving. So that's why I watch the ES, so I understand why it's reacting to certain levels. And then I like NinjaTrader. I like to watch the charts on NinjaTrader because I'm used to it. But like Thinkorswim with TD Ameritrade, they got some dope charts. They got some dope tools. I got a TD Ameritrade account, but I don't use it, so I don't know how to use it. But I'm used to NinjaTrader. You know what I'm saying? So that's the platform I use for futures, and I use that to watch the ES. OPEX, right? So I like to keep things real simple. You know what I'm saying? And for everybody that showed up a little bit late, if y'all ain't seen it, let me show y'all the what's the name? Spider Gang. Hashtag Spider Gang. Can I move out the way? Hashtag Spider Gang. You feel me? Let me get back in the screen. I'm tripping. Okay. So what's OPEX? OPEX is just when the options getting ready to expire. They stop trading on the monthly OPEX. They stop trading on the Friday, the third Friday of the month. Right? They stop trading the third Friday of the month, and then they expire like the next day on Saturday. So the last day you can trade them is that third Friday of the month. And a lot of times it creates volatility in the market because, and you know what I'm saying, people, you have to close them positions. It's like your option is expiring, so you have to close the position. So that'll create volatility. You see what I'm saying? That'll create volatility. That'll create the market to slide. If you're pulling a lot of positions off, you know what I'm saying, you're selling, you're closing them positions. If you're closing longs, it's gonna make the market pull down, and you have to close them longs, so it'll create volatility. You see what I'm saying? You close them big positions, it drop off. You know what I'm saying? You buy the position back, it pull up. You know what I'm saying? You moving it to another contract because you have to, right? So let me that's the way I see it. But let me give you a quick little gem on how you can keep up with it and show you. If you go to Market Watch, go to marketwatch.com, right? Go to marketwatch.com, and then come over here to the little drop down menu. You see the little blue menu thing right next to the word Market Watch. Hit that little drop down menu. If you come all the way down to the bottom of that menu, look at Kathy Woods. What Kathy talk about? Let me see what Kathy talk about. This Mark homegirl, cousin Kathy. What's up, Kat? Stock market faces most massive misallocation of capital in the history of mankind. Arcs Kathy Wood. Okay then. All right, Kathy. Go to the bottom, and where it say research tools, and when you go into research tools, you'll see a thing over here that says options calendar, right? Boom. You click on options calendar, and boom, it give you the whole options OPEX calendar for the year. They got 2021, 2022, 2023, right? And then holidays are the orange circles. Can I make this a little bit bigger? It look a little small to me. I'll make it bigger for y'all. Okay. So holidays are the orange circles. You know what I'm saying? Options stop trading. Right? You see where it say options stop trading. That's the OPEX. Options expiration. That's what OPEX stand for. And then options expire are the diamonds. Right? And then the yellow is quarterly expirations. So you have quarterly expiration dates, and you got monthly expiration dates. And then if you ever, now this ain't gonna show you this, but if you ever hear somebody talking about quad witch, right? If you hear people talk about quad witch, what quad witch is, if in the month that has a yellow dot on it, right, a quarterly expiration, right? See the ones that got a quarterly expiration, that during that month on the monthly OPEX, that's when like four different asset classes are expiring at the same time. That's what the quad witch is. You got the options contracts expiring, you got the futures contracts expiring, you got the something else with the equities expiring. I can't remember all of them, but it's like four different things that's happening at the same time. That's why they call it quad witch. You know what I'm saying? Because it's all expiring at the same time. And one thing about the SPX, it don't show it on here, but if you trade the SPX on the third Friday for the SPX, you have a SPX contract that stops trading on Thursday. That Thursday. So on the third Friday, like the SPY, you can still trade the SPY on, like, just say example for today. You can still trade it on, you know what I'm saying, today. But the SPX for this day, it stops trading like the day before. It stopped trading that day before. You feel me? And then it expired. It's like, I don't know why. It's something like that for that. But that's all the OPEX is, man. It's just option expirations. And it's not like a big super event that's going on, that's happening. It's just the fact that you have to close the position. When I say you, I mean if you're in an options position, the big boys in the option position, they have to close the position and move to different contracts. So if they're long those positions and they close these big long positions, that's gonna make the market come down. And when they put the positions back on in new contracts, that's gonna make the market go back up. You feel me? That's where the volatility come from on the OPEX. So it's like, that's why you got to be careful during the OPEX week, because a lot of times they start moving their stuff a week out. You know what I'm saying? They may start moving their stuff a week out, and sometimes they may wait until expiration date. But it like the volatility starts to happen right around OPEX, because they starting to close them positions. And depending on how big their positions are, the further out they have to start doing it, because they're not going to be able to move that many contracts in one day. So that's why they start like a week out. You feel me? And I just want to drop that for my people based off the DMs I've been getting. I know it's a lot of cousins that's relatively new to it, and I know hearing this language all the time and not really getting it explained to you, you don't know why you fearing this time. You don't know why you trying to do this time. Like a lot of cousins, they be jumping into positions when it's quad witch, I got to get these positions, and they don't understand. It's not about just jumping in at quad witch. Yes, quad witch does offer some good buying opportunities sometimes, but you don't just jump in just because it's quad witch. You look for your confirmation. You don't jump in just because it's OPEX. You look for your confirmation. Yeah, it's certain things that happen around these times, but understand what's happening and don't just react off of what somebody said. You know what I'm saying? React off your confirmation. I just want to share that gem on how to go look up when the option expirations is for yourself. This, just go to market watch, go to market watch, go to research tools, and then market watch, research tools, and then options calendar. I think that's what. Let's go through it one more time. Let me make sure I'm telling you right. Go back to marketwatch.com. Boom, marketwatch.com. Go to the drop down menu over there at the bottom. Say research tools. Yes, under research tools. Boom, options calendar, and there you go. And then it's got 3 years. Look like it's got it's got 3 years. Yep. So 2023. That's the 2023 calendar. So it keep a 3-year rotation. It keep a 3-year rotation. You can see what's going on. That's what it look like. But just. Oh, I got some questions.
What indicators are on your screen?
Oh yeah, I saw that one. I answered that one. Thank you.
What platform do you use?
Yeah, I answered that one too.
All that lipstick on your chart. What's that? What does that mean?
Oh, that BD messing with me. He said, cause I see TV saying got lipstick on the chart when you be putting the stuff on the chart.
All right, and then you got Spider Game. Do you have any previous recordings where you discuss how to get started with futures for beginners?
How to get started with futures? No, I don't have any videos about how to get started with futures because I'm primarily an options trader. But I will I will start I will start doing more futures. Well, I be doing futures videos all the time, but I will do like some futures for beginners videos since you brought it up. And also if you know what I'm saying, you want to learn futures, the homie Jada Trader got a dope futures course that he sells. So if you want to learn it, if you want to learn it now, you want to learn it from somebody that from the person that I learned it from, then you know what I'm saying, I always direct people to him if you want to learn it. But if you want to learn stuff for the free 99, just hang out with the Spider Gang and we gonna get you to the glory land for the free 99. Do we got any questions? Did anybody ask anything on IG, baby?
Nope. No questions on IG.
No question on IG.
Did you want to show them what the screen looked like on? You want to show them my laptop so people on IG can see what it looked like on YouTube?
Yeah, yeah. IG for my IG family. That ain't flip over.
Here.
Let me show y'all. I'm gonna show you. Oh, I can show them right here, baby. Oh, okay. Yeah. My baby got a.
I put on there YouTube versus reality. You gotta grab it, Tim. It's getting hit.
Oh, I'm sorry. My sweetie got the. My sweetie got a MacBook here.
Yeah, YouTube versus reality.
Okay, this what. Let me move out the way. Let me slide to the side so y'all can see. See the am I block? Oh, I'm blocking the spider. I'm going the wrong way. I'm blocking the spider. There you go. That's what YouTube look like. That's what YouTube look like. Spider Gang. Hashtag Spider Gang.
And then go to your charts.
And then let me pull up the charts. Before I'm trying not to drop my sweetie MacBook.
Thank you.
Got my knee up. Then when I put the charts up, this is what it looking like when I put the charts up. That delay killing me. I'm like, whoa, what's going on? That's what it looked like when I pull my so when I'm in it, when I'm deep in that's what it's looking like. That's what I'm working with now.
YouTube versus reality.
YouTube versus reality. Now let me show you
Oh, you on all platforms. I see you, bro.
yeah, all platforms. Then people right, this reality though. This what the room looking like. Like YouTube, y'all can't see this. This IG. See this one. See I'm in the chair. I got my lights up there. I got my light overhead. I got the light. This what it look like to me. When I'm
Here, for your YouTube people.
for the
You can show it to them. Show the phone.
let me see. Oh. The YouTube, they can't see that, baby.
They can't if you put it in front of the camera.
If I put it in front of them. Yeah, it ain't gonna translate. It be too small. Here you go. Yeah.
You gotta put it in front of the camera.
I did. I put it in front of the camera. You can't see it. But anyway, that's my cold spaghetti. You know what I'm saying? That's my guitar. You see what I'm saying? Like this what it look like. This what the room look like. When y'all be seeing the fancy dancing, you feel me? Y'all be seeing the fancy dancing. And well, without my baby MacBook, my baby MacBook don't be here. Here you go, baby. Her MacBook don't be here. But yeah, this where the magic happen. That's my main light that be lighting me up. That's my light that get the shadows off my eyes. I need to replace a bulb. Yeah, YouTube don't see that. Y'all can't get this YouTube.
Marquez said you done got into the metaverse.
Yeah, I'm in the metaverse now. Yeah. I see my $1,000 in a day. Shout out Terry and Trade and Travel. I bought it. You play the guitar? No, I don't. I started trying to learn how to play the guitar some years ago, and then I got like a real bad like sore on my finger, and I gave up quick. I used to know how to play the keyboard pretty good, but I gave the keyboard to my son. He a producer now.
Somebody said you got a full studio.
Yeah, got a full studio. But yeah, man, I just want to share the YouTube versus reality. Y'all see, y'all know what I'm saying? Y'all, and then when I flick back over, that's what it looked like. That's what it looked like on YouTube right there. I mean, you see what I'm saying? YouTube versus reality. But yeah, how you get my phone?
I don't have your phone. I got my phone.
I was saying like, I'm on live. I'm tripping.
My
You play drum?
Cool.
Okay, that's what's up. I want to get a drum set for Timothy, for me really, but I want to get a drum set for Timothy. And Clarence was looking at me like, bring a drum set in here if you want to. I'm putting both of y'all out the house.
I'm moving that.
Hey man, I appreciate y'all for tapping in, man. We getting ready to go on vacation. I just want to share something with my family. Everybody that's on IG, I'm not saving it on IG. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and say I'm gonna save it on IG for my family if they want to stick around and see what the behind the scenes look like. Yeah, I'm holding my phone. If you want to see the actual video, what I was showing on the screen, that's gonna be on YouTube. And then this IG video, if you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna leave it on IG for the IG family. We getting ready to go to the cabins up in the mountains. We was your career field dealing with computers? I was a computer system analyst. It wasn't really, it
Yes.
sorta, yeah. And I used to deal with computers. Like that was part of my job. The main thing I did every day didn't deal with computers, but part of my job was like fixing stuff when it got broke, figuring out why it's not working. You know what I'm saying? I actually got I went to school for computer science. That was one of the things I went to school for. But yeah, man, we getting ready to go to the mountains. We supposed to been gone. We supposed to been gone like an hour and a half ago. But I just want to jump on and share that with you all based off some stuff I've been getting in my DMs. Share this. I don't have any slides for this one, so I'm gonna put it in the lunchtime lessons. It'll be in the lunchtime lessons. What's up, Tasha? Tasha, you just not coming in? It'll be in the. I'm gonna put it in the lunchtime lessons folder because I don't have slides for it, and I try to only put the videos in the Tim's Tidbit Live folder where I have slides for it. If you ever want to download any other slides for any other Tim's Tid, it's still dropping. Y'all see it? I got it up. I got it up on the screen. If y'all ever want to download any other slides, the link in the description, you can download the slides. It's all for free. Everybody know everything I do. Sharing this knowledge with stock market is free. You don't have to give me an email. You don't have to give me anything. God was good enough to bless me with an opportunity to be here for my family, like I asked him, and still be able to provide. So my way of giving back is just sharing everything I learned with you all for the free 99. I got some great friends. They got some great courses, and I support them. I acknowledge them. I send people in their direction because they do that for a living. They getting paid to do that. I do this for free. And so it's like they got a more of a commitment to it. I'm committed to it. Everybody knows Spider Gang. I'm committed to it. But it's like, hey, mine might be all over the place because I go based off of what y'all ask me. You see what I'm saying? And it's more structured in their courses. I live by their courses. I swear by their courses because I've taken their courses. You see what I'm saying? But
You do it on your own terms.
I can do it. I can do, my baby say I can do it on my own terms. That's what I'm looking for. See, I be running my mouth. I can do it on my own terms, and they got more of a structured thing to offer you because you're paying for a service. But if you got the time and the patience,
Tell them I'm right here.
hey, my sweetie right there. She right there.
Can they see my hand?
You see, stick your, yeah, there go her hand. There she go right there. Stick your face in, baby.
I can't.
Stick
With
your
the
face.
setup.
Back up a little bit.
Just they see my hand.
Oh, they see your hand. Okay. All right, then. She got her hand in the screen. There you go. All right, then. All right, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm what BD said?
Oh, he said just go on vacation.
Oh yeah. Oh my bad.
He said,
Okay.
just go on vacation, dog. I was like, right, family waiting.
My bad. I'm sorry, y'all. We about to get out of here, man. We about to get out of here, man. Appreciate y'all for tapping in. To the
Safe travels.
Thank you for safe travels to the next time. Y'all know what it is, man. Gone.